I will teach you. I love you to teach me, sis. Okay, I will teach you. I will make another video where I'm teaching the dance again. Oh, you want to learn it right now? I should teach you now.
Beste advies en alles voor je dier scherp geprijsd. Dat is Pets Place, de grootste en beste dierenspeciaalzaak van Nederland. We helpen je elke dag goed voor je dier te zorgen. Ontdek het op petsplace.nl.
I'm proudly for our music, dances. Thanks. Thank you too, Francis. I'm watching you from Kampala. Thank you. I like the song. Let's play it again. Says over concentrating on the phone. No, I'm putting the songs on the phone. I'm tired. Let me read the comments. What is the meaning of the song? It's about praising the baby mama. I like it too. Okay. I will make a picture.
Ik voel me thuis, want je pakt eerst je tempo-box uit. Wasmachine, zender en in vele designs.
My WhatsApp number, don't forget to save. What am I supposed to save it for? Your number. Which one should I play now? Young man is coming. Aparuko. Use our flag. The Ugandan flag. A friend of mine borrowed it. I don't have it. And I don't have Sudanese flag also. I need one, but I don't have. Okay, the last song from Young Man. Okay, the network started. Guys, so tired. Tell us something. What should I tell you? I'm done. Too tired. That was the last song. Such a beautiful song. Thank you, guys. That was the last one. See you guys tomorrow. Maybe. Thanks for watching. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, comment, anything. Let me read some of the comments first. Where do you stay? I stay in Europe. You look beautiful as your cultural dance. Thank you. Her height. My height? What about my height? Am I short or tall? Okay, guys, bye-bye.